Our next speaker is Shri Ashish Banati, Deputy Controller of Technology at the Office of Controller for Certifying Authorities MeitY. With more than 3 decades of service at the Ministry of Electronics and IT, he has made remarkable contributions in the fields of software and hardware security. He has led pioneering projects such as the Biometric Device Certification Scheme, Indian Common Criteria Scheme at STQC, and several e-governance initiatives including NSDG, MCA21 and Passport Seva. His expertise has shaped India's digital signature regulation, global recognition initiatives, and the integration of CCA ecosystem tools. It is my privilege to now invite Shri Ashish Banati for the special address.
Yeah, good morning. So members on the dais, Shri Arvind Kumar ji is Senior Advisor CDAC now. He was our boss earlier, prior to this, a few days back. And then the Professor Shyam Sundar ji, Dr. Sunil, Dr. Sanjay Tyagi ji, and Dr. Bala, and my industry representatives, academia representatives, friends, colleagues and friends. So it is an honor and privilege to address this distinguished gathering at the inauguration of 6th IEEE Conference on PKIA 2025. My heartfelt congratulations to CDAC Bangalore and its partners for successfully convening this pivotal event held alongside the Tech Expo with a shared mission of advancing the digital trust ecosystem. Since its inception under the IT Act, Office of CCA has played a foundational role in shaping India's digital trust architecture. As the national regulator of PKI ecosystem and the custodian of Root Certifying Authority of India, our mandate has been to ensure interoperability, legally enforceable digital signatures and certificates across domains ranging from e-governance to banking, from financial markets to digital commerce. At its heart, our mission remains clear: to uphold integrity, trust, resilience in every digital transaction. PKIA has over the years evolved into a globally recognized forum for dialogue on PKI technologies, digital trust, cybersecurity frameworks. The 6th edition of this conference continues that journey, bringing together our international experts, industry pioneers, policymakers, researchers. The global engagement not only enables the sharing of best practices, but also reinforces India's growing role as a thought leader in the digital trust and PKI. CCA has been instrumental in nurturing PKIA with a vision to foster sustained collaboration amongst academia, industry, R&D institutions and the regulatory body. Such synergy is essential to ensure technological innovation, policy frameworks, academic research advance hand in hand, fortifying our national digital infrastructure while preparing us for the future. To further this mission, we have established a National Center for Digital Trust, NCDT, as the technical arm of CCA. NCDT is a pioneering next generation PKI solution, blockchain-based trust frameworks, zero trust architecture, while also serving as a hub for capacity building and academia industry collaboration. It is also working to embrace frontier developments in cryptography, including post-quantum technologies, ensuring that India is well prepared for the next era of digital trust. In this spirit, let me highlight some of the key achievements and ongoing initiatives of CCA. So once we have created a future-ready route CA facility, has been successfully commissioned, enrolling continuity, resilience, scalability of Indian National Trust anchor. The National Center for Digital Trust, as was mentioned earlier, is a driving innovation in next generation PKI solutions, blockchain-based framework, zero trust architecture, while deepening capacity building through academia-industry partnership. We are advancing post-quantum cryptography readiness through pilot projects and research collaborations to safeguard the Indian digital ecosystem against the quantum era threats. As part of indigenous development, there has been a priority that we support initiatives such as, we have supported initiatives such as mobile PKI solution development by one of our licensee, eMudra, the indigenous token development effort by one of our token vendors, Precision, is a Chennai-based company working on biometric-based trust products. These partnerships are helping reduce reliance on external technologies and build India's self-reliance in digital trust infrastructure. We have launched through CDAC, Metiroute, an open challenge for development of an Indian browser, which was an initiative aimed at creating a secure, standard-compliant, trusted browser ecosystem that can natively integrate India's digital trust framework and address emerging cybersecurity challenges. CCA is spearheading efforts in hardware root of trust and hardware attestation services, which are critical to ensuring integrity and trust at the device and chip level, an essential foundation for a secure digital economy. Through our persistent initiatives like One Nation, One Card, we are intending to extend digital trust to citizen-centric services, ensuring convenience, interoperability, and security in everyday transactions. The new trust services are being enabled, including timestamping, e-notarization, web trust certification, along with efforts towards establishing an Indian SSL TLS certification framework for enhancing sovereignty in trust services. CCA has also spearheaded efforts to extend digital signature certificates to IoT ecosystems and mobile environments, supporting the government's vision of secure and trusted digital transaction at a scale. Looking ahead, digital trust will remain the bedrock of governance, commerce, innovation, and global cooperation. CCA is committed to acting as a national trust anchor, ensuring that India's digital ecosystem rests on a foundation of security, authenticity, and resilience. I urge all stakeholders, policymakers, industry leaders, startups, and researchers to leverage this platform for a meaningful engagement, knowledge exchange, and joint innovation. Together, we can architect secure, resilient, inclusive trust frameworks that empower citizens and further strengthen India's leadership in global digital economy. Thank you.